I tell them mommy and people, say the youth, couple of youth me take care of everything, and as I say the gas when me buy. You see the gas when me buy, the day before I see them at gas station. That's why me have about three car when me set at Jamaica. Me have a Alabama when me set at the only one in a Kingston looks so. You understand? Only one. Cause me custom it. See, all the rims them. Red and burgundy, the grill are red and burgundy, the seat are red and burgundy, the light you shine for the ground are red and burgundy, the roof me take it out, turn it red. So for your seat, you know octane that come up your road. So when you pull up in our gas station, the man them just know. I remember me I find a boy in a girl at Jamaica, summer road. Me good in every garrison. So when I go to bam now and pull up, me see him say, oh I go and boom, buy full up the man tank. I tell you how the gas when me full up with my money. Give your money if you buy food for the day. Boom, jump out, give your money now. And the worst thing I go say to the man, say, yo, you know, I tip out a morning and jump out the next morning. And the man then go at me yard the following day. Because the youth them know them, the dog them know them. Broken, stick up the youth, pop off on the youth, stick him up, carry him in the house, have him in the house the whole night, and say how long them a wait for him. Take off the TV them, everything. Have him in the house the long night. You know what man them do? You tell me say when they come tonight, come always have some light to just come on. The man lock off the light and use them flashlight on their phone. Take off my TV them. Take off my appliance, everything. And I say, alright, good, we can get back them something. At least this. Because I can move the building and the house nice and everything. The man them put one sharp knife on the youth neck and jaw it. And left the youth to be out in the house. You come to my house, you run, you know. Run from up a top floor, you know. Come a jeep a ground, you know. 3 floor, you know. You know how you not drop out, you know. So when you hear me I say, me done it people, you have to prove yourself to me. Like how you see Tampa in life, me do anything for you. Bowl up a snow. What do you say? Everybody say you're hype. Ask them a question. Why you not fi hype about your success? Hype about your success is different from hyping on people. Love yourself is different from showing up people so them insecurities. When you work hard for your things and go through things, hype with your things. Don't hype on people with your things. Hype with your things. Make sure you're proud of your things then. Celebrate your things then. You think a little bit of sleepless night? Eh? A 5 hours my own and my suitcase me living in. Me never spend 1 year in none of my house there. Few much years me up on the earth. Too hard, me go all over the world. Me living in my suitcase and hotel room. For years upon years. Me never spend 1 year on one of my house them yet in my life. Like dead for 1 year consistently. Never. A suitcase. So when my mind and take care of boy come in my house and come cut people through and left them in there. And then come back now. Because them say then come back for some other things. And when me I go foreign, you know, I want mind, you know, so I always left my machine up at my house. I always left my machine up at my house, you know, because I say, I always put it in the safe and say I left it. And a day then I decide, you know, I can move it to the next place and just put it in the safe there. Because that's the main reason. Because them see me with it now and they want it. They want to get me in trouble now with the fella and one bag of something now. If you know, say you left your thing in your house, you know, Jamaica systems there, the man come in there and thief it. The fella them also say you never put it good, you never protect it good. And then charge you for them something now and get in a trouble. So me tell our friends, I tell them people when we get things up and up. So when a man and a girl see me I move them way, there's enough people come on the live and I say, acting. You know, say, me in a situation, then I say, prove it. Tell me, I say, prove it, tam. Because me not really have my heart not really a beat no more. My heart not really a pump no more. If I not got that talk about, if you not, that's why I'm telling you, say, anybody who not connect with the Almighty and praise the Almighty globally and praise the Almighty publicly, me not have nothing. The youth, me don't know the youth from nowhere. One day I hear my phone ring and I just take up my phone. Because I know jail thing, I go jail all the while. I'm used to in the street and right. And when they are jail, we just make up number and just dial number. If somebody can't answer, we just try to be friend with them, beg phone card. Worse if it's a girl, we try to look her, try to make she come visit or visit run jail. Try to make she come visit. And big up everybody on the life. I'm just see my phone ring one day, I'm on site. And from my on site, I say, General, no, make up a number. Yo, wait. And the jail, me then start telling me story and I'm just start in dialogue with them. And he would come from jail. He can link me. Alone. And he ma power with me and I say, you nothing go back to jail. Ray. When they are road and I make a food, I say, dog, where you go? I say, Ray. I say, alright, see a fear, go on where you go. My mom don't know the money from nowhere, you know. See? I say, when you are forward with me, don't bring nobody. Anyway, he come every day, Ray, till he's a youth and I kind of like him spirit and we are, you know what I mean? I must have not use him for do no crime, no violence, or nothing. Mr. Say, brother, stay out of crime. Let me meet him mother, Mr. Them I suffer bag of something, Mr. Brother. All your mother know if you make sure say your mother alright and comes a man love my mother. I sort them thing let me show you. Over the years, just say you want to deliver work. Remember say, me not like bike, you know. I make up take up my money, buy your bike. Yeah, say you want to make up your bike, you have to take money, buy your car. Yeah, some I deal with you. Come on, you make it. So, time pass off nowhere. Whoever connection and them do him thing. Chop a jail again, his mother call me, I say, my ready this, that, bag of something. I say, because through him past life, catch up on him, and man want to do him things, and one bag of something, come like I'm a big son. That's a father, because what kind of things I take on. But anyway, me there know all a vibe, and so you know, say, speed up back to yes now. Boom, me I come in from studio and stop at one gas station and see one car. And me look at him. I say, yo, I want some gas. I buy him some full up him tank. See? Three of them give him 15 grand a day. Say, yo, you know me I jump out. I go tell the man say me I jump out tomorrow. I must say you to come at me yard. You can't come in my yard, me dog them. I live like I'm there for so long when I go Jamaica, I have to relearn them. Then tear off it, you can't go in the yard. And the dog then know him walk past everything. So when I tell this man, you know, Kings of Clarendon, not tourists, I tell this man, I say, me I go. This man wait me left the country. Go up on my yard. The youth up there know them everything. What go on? Yeah man, That's why I come check up on the DJ yard and make sure that DJ good and rare, yeah man. And set up the youth. When the night I dust down, stick up the youth, carry the youth in the house. Rob the house, take off everything, take out microwave, just pack up everything. Screw off my TV them. Come design my TV them some way because there's a bossy youth in myself. I go in so much hotel, so I always tell myself, say, I want in my house it look like one hotel, like a, you know, one of them futuristic type of vibe there. You know, open concept. You can see my kitchen way over there, so I'm living with not close up. And when I build my house, everywhere you go in the house you can see, because up on the hillside, so everywhere you go, a glass there where you can see outside, like see the whole of the view them and them something. There's nothing in the house, there's no part in the house where you can't have a view. See? My concept, like build an infinity pool, you drop off of the mountain side and them something there. So when you ask me come like I drop off of the mountain, them concept them have in made for myself. So at them type of vibe them have for myself. And as me I said, the man cut there, grab the out, cut the out. The man could have take everything and left the out. The man cut man throat, left it in the house. Leaving at my place, went up the wall and my furniture them and base up, because you try to struggle and you drop out on the couch and you pull like couch, mash up and limp up and base up man. Me have two sheet type of couch and me have a designer from Dubai we ship them in. So you know a cloth material. None of them things in Jamaica. That man did up and one of them mash it up. And me not call him, me not report, me not do nothing. And as I tell you what life stay, and me's a youth, me's a godly youth. Me tell you say 2 weeks after my mother call me, because my mother know say him do them something I say. She always come call me when she want money and say I come link up and me tell her link me one spot and me give her a piece of food and she can take care of 7 people them same way. 4 grand people them. And the time when she tell me say she could do that, me not lie, me not plan to take her away and fling her a bush or do something wicked to her. Me not plan for last her. Me not make up no story. I know so the woman come at the gas station. I'm in the car and the woman I say, DJ, me there, you know, where you there? I say, me I look for you, man. She say, but me not see your car. I say, me I look for you, man. And I say, so we said, big up, God bless. I say, me I look for you. I say, the 3rd time, I say, me I look for you. Tap up the screen. But me not reach 100,000. You notice me start the life different today. Big up one Kevin. Kevin say, yo, sometimes I have to give the people them your story and I decide to never start it, so. One Kevin, you know. Man wants to see me win your fuck. So people, I got some bam now and it's the 3rd time I remember my bridging them, you know. As what I tell you, say, 90% of my bridging them when I grew up on or me live in high street. 90% of my monster, like real monster. Me never yet execute my power when me have in the street. All you hear them I mix up my name and say acting this and acting that and acting this and acting that. Me never yet exercise my power when me have in the street. Like my power in the street and I want normal power. And some normal people me know. But me never use them to do no criminal activity. Me always tell them, say, brother, love this. See? It's like God just make me have my real journey in life. A Marcus Garvey them type of legacy. And just me I run for my true calling, you know. I just me I run for my true calling because I come with too much burden. And it come with whole heap of broken heart. Yeah, for be them type of people, you have to sacrifice everything. Top banks. You have to sacrifice everything for really take on them type of calling them. See? So back to, I know, so when the woman stand up at the gas station, Virgin never said, yo, chat some sitting on me ears, and the devil right that's up on the shoulder, you know. I say, alright then. And she called me and said, I see her. I said, I see her, man. I look on you. So I look on her. And she said, which car? I see a car. I said, I see her, man. I look on you, man. She said, oh, you know, tell me if you walk come to you. So I look on you, man. You see, third time he said, he come back in my mind and say, brother, you and this woman are the victim, the two are the same victim of wickedness. The two are the victim of same corrupted people. Why you gonna even try hurt money? And this one don't know nothing about where our son and our friend them do. See? And then something come back to me in a lay and say, you feel like if this woman did know, say, your son do you this, and know, say, you have the power of your hurt or should have really left so far if it come to you. Eh?
There's a brand new AI tool that does prompt to YouTube video, as in you type in a short prompt and within a couple minutes it gives you an...
No, DJ, I can't do that. See? And remember, say me enough to come out of the car now. The plan was me for us. Make sure come to the car and I'm gonna grab her and fling on the car. Nobody else man drive off. And I just step out of the car and mash up the plan. I just step out of the car and mash up the plan, and she come to me and I give her 15. And she said, you know, say, she said to me, say, what I'm to you guys? She look me looking at her and she said, something wrong with you now. The energy off to them, you never see that energy yet. I mean, I said, everything good movie, man. You're going to hear shortly. And she said to me, say, my son, remember me love you, you know. And nobody can conquer you, you know. I pray for you all the while, you know. See, enough you do for me, you know. And enough you do for my son too, you know. See, y'all give me money, I have to go take care of him. Enough. Nobody can't do nothing on my prayer. Just know say God bless you everything. And she said that and it calm up my spirit. And she go. See? 1 month after she find out and call me a ball, I say, yo, I can't believe that my son do yo. Jesus Christ. And that's why you look at me so the day. You could have hurt me, but you not do it. And I just say, if I'm that day there, don't need people, myself come first. I'm done with you. I say, if you have my virgin with me know, and you bring nobody around me when me no know, me I tell you, so you can't link me again. You can't link me again. If me Sunday, me say, if nobody in the street, and me say, who are you? And you pull up with somebody when me no know, when you tell me about, just believe me, say, you can't link me again. Me done with you. You have to just stay up on the phone. Because people are some terrible people. My expectation of people is very, very low. Low. No girl can set me up. Me used to see. Every woman I see. Some just big. Some just not smell good. Some full of disease. Some have 10,000 mileage on it. Some have all different type of wood going at it. Some never touched before. Some good, some bad, some tight, some slack. I still want to hold on to it and I still I know. And this way I have a push this way. There's no difference. It's just some overuse, some no use, some good, some that, some pH balance half, some that. Still I know. You can't set me up. You can't set me up. You can't slide down my phone and send me. No, I never seen before.